Welcome to Texas A&M AgriLife Extension, Hidalgo County. My name is Joanne Reste and I'm the FCH agent for the County of Hidalgo. Today, a masterclass volunteer, Ms. Dori Perez, will teach us how to make a 10-minute table runner. The supplies you'll need are half a yard of fabric, 1/3 of a yard of contract fabric, and your sewing supplies. Now, let's welcome Ms. Dori Perez.
Hello, my name is Dori, and today we're going to be making this table runner. So you can use any material you want, like depending on what holiday, like this is for Thanksgiving. And you can use another one. We're going to be making for Christmas. The theme is going to be the gingerbread. You're going to need 2 pieces of material. The inside piece is 12 inches, and then which is 1/3. And then the back is going to be 18 inches, which is half. That's all you need, just 2 pieces of material. And the easy thing is that it's a 10-minute table runner. Actually, this is only gonna have 4 seams. The sides and then the top. And iron it, flip it over, and then that's all. Okay, we're gonna start. We're gonna sew down this way, 1/4 inch. See, that's 1 seam. See, they're not going to be even, but it's okay. You just smooth it around, and let's do the other seam. Seam number 2. Okay, what we did is a tube. So they're not even because the materials are a little bit different width. So right now we're going to cut it and straighten it up. Turn it over. Then we put it here on the table. So we're gonna even it out from here. Okay. And we're gonna smooth it out and eye it out like so we can be the same width. We can give it a quick iron. Okay, now what we're gonna do is this back side we're gonna put it together, and then this is gonna be the 3rd seam, okay? This is gonna be the 4th and last seam. Then we're done. Then we just push out the little point with our little tool, but be gentle because sometimes if you press it too much, you'll damage it. And then the other corner. And that's it. I think it took less than 10 minutes. And then we can put like a little button here, or we can just tack it. And what I did to this one for Thanksgiving, I made I got some little stickers things at Hobby Lobby, and then you could easily make something for this one, a little tassel. And this one is removable. But when you wash it, you can remove it. See? And then you wash it, put it back. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, Ms. Dori, for this project. Now, if you made this project, don't forget to hashtag MCVRGVSew and follow us at our Facebook page as well as our YouTube page. Thank you for watching.